I was very impressed both by the panelists and by the questions that were asked. So it's very clear that there is a lot of thinking, and I think that we really were able to stimulate some good thought, some good reflection with this. So I'm very encouraged by this initial step. The way to, or a way to deal with speech that we find offensive is more speech. So rather than shut it down, rather than shout it down, is let's talk it through. Let's use freedom of speech going both ways. And we heard a couple of questions that alluded to people feeling that they are afraid or tentative about speaking out because they don't want to offend. And I hope that we can get beyond that as a people and as a community, because that simply is not the way to deal with it. As was made by one of the panelists, that simply forces hurtful speech underground, and it's not a true expression of freedom of speech. So if there is speech that is problematic in your view, well, talk it through. I think that that's probably one of the more important things that came out tonight.